Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by for yet another video. I do appreciate that, and as always I appreciate you. So we got this article here. It says atmospheric rivers, Pacific Northwest and British Columbia, heavy rain expected. It says that a frontal system will begin to approach the Pacific Northwest by Wednesday evening, October 18th, which is today, with precipitation increasing throughout the day and into the night. The same system will equally affect Canada's British Columbia. Heavy rain will continue falling through the rest of the week. And it says a fascinating weather pattern is in place in the northern hemisphere this week. It's a river in the sky that spans the full width of the Pacific Ocean from Asia to North America. The phenomenon is remarkably obvious, a plume of clouds with a few areas of low pressure embedded transported at shocking speeds across the planet's largest ocean via the jet stream, Capital Weather Gang's Jason Samnow said. Now you can see it here. Just this whole, uh, he's saying this is a composite image, solid swath of moisture stretching from coastal China to western British Columbia. I mean, just a crazy looking storm, if you will. I mean, literally it does stretch across the entire ocean. So it goes on to say, plainly spoken, it's a train of rain on its way to Washington State, Samnow said. Over the coming days, this so-called atmospheric river will unload tremendous amounts of rain and snow over the Pacific Northwest. This event looks like a pair of significant atmospheric rivers over 4 to 5 days. They go on to say that the details of where they were to make landfall and how long they will last will be determined where the heaviest precipitation and impacts will occur. But you can see it here. It just kind of loops and then straight into Washington State, up into British Columbia. Now, I was kind of hoping you see a little bit of moisture here around California, which could be good news for them. If they could get a little bit of rain to help them with some of those wildfires burning out there, that would definitely be good news for California as well. But it said by Thursday, October 19th, the strong cold front will begin pushing eastward over the Pacific Northwest and towards Northern California, with precipitation spreading farther east as a result. Once the front moves into the central Great Basin, rainfall will also follow suit. However, due to onshore flow, showers and higher elevation snow will continue across the Pacific Northwest. There is a marginal risk for flash flooding in western Washington and northwestern Oregon on Thursday as a result of heavy rainfall, the National Weather Service warns. On Thursday, snowfall will expand throughout the Washington and Oregon Cascades and parts of the northern Rockies, with some light snowfall in higher elevations in Northern California. By Friday, October 20th, snow will continue across the Cascades and throughout the northern Rockies. Now here you can see another map here, and this is the rate of precipitation over a 6-hour period here. And let's see, you can see it moving across the states there, but this must be it. Yeah, there it is. So it's like, and now it does actually move a little bit down into California. I mean, I know that's not what this article's about, but there's huge wildfires so you can see it. So hopefully they get some moisture in California too, some rain in California to help them battle them wildfires there as well. But it says the system will affect both the northwestern United States and British Columbia. Into the weekend, a new storm with resurgence of rain and strong winds will arrive on the coast of British Columbia and the Pacific Northwest every 24 hours. So it says each storm looks to be stronger as the week progresses. So they're going to get hit with storm after storm as they even gain in strength. So it's going to get worse and worse is what they're saying. It says the news is good for Northern California, which will benefit from the rainfall this week and will aid the firefighters given in the recent. See, we were just talking about that. So that's actually good news for them for sure, because we all know how devastating and destructive. I mean, literally towns were burnt to the ground, just ash. I mean, it's insane. Not, it's so it's good that they're going to get some relief. But the bad news is this is, this storm's going to definitely affect Washington State and British Columbia as well, with heavy rains, probably flooding. They're going to get hit with storm after storm, it said. So my thoughts and prayers go out to everyone that's going to be affected by this atmospheric river. And I just want to say thanks for everyone that supports the channel and watching these videos. I do appreciate that. And but yeah, be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below. I hope you have a great day. Peace.